Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while since I made a video for you. This is because I've been very busy trading. I've been very busy trading and improving myself, and also but I've been more active in my Telegram group. So that is why I want to bring you up to date with what I've been doing. For the past 2 weeks, I've not made any video because I've been very busy working on some things, some personal things, and also trading, and also relating with my mentees. Okay, so if you can see, in January we closed January actually with a 41% profit in my mentees group. All right, so we keep a record of all trades that we take every day, and in January we made a profit of a net capital growth of 41%, risking 1% per trade. So this is just our Telegram group. You can see GBP. This setup was actually a supply zone that we traded a sell position from, and on GBP USD. You can see the before and after of it. This is our Telegram group. Okay, this is also it's another trade on GU. All right, this is a trade on GU that actually worked out. Now this is also another trade on GBP Australian dollar, Great British Pound, Australian dollar. Also, this is this setup. I actually shared this on my last YouTube video, how I took this trade. This was a demand zone. This was a liquidity taken into a demand zone, and that's bought. Okay, this was on GBP USD. All right, so this was another trade that we took. All right, this was also another trade that we actually took. This was this was on Euro USD. I shared this trade actually, and it worked out on Euro USD. This samples of the trades we've taken so far. This was analysis on Euro GBP that also worked. I didn't actually, the price tapped into this zone, so but did not give us the opportunity, did not give me the opportunity to enter. But some of my mentees actually got into this trade, but I actually wanted this. I actually wanted the price to come fully into the supply zone, but it just tapped there, so I didn't actually trade it. But I gave this setup, but some of my mentees traded it, and nonetheless. So this actually was a Euro USD. I took this trade on Euro USD. It was actually stubborn. I said it was a stubborn trade actually, because Euro USD got into the zone, took out all liquidities to the upside, blasted the supply zone, away from the supply zone. All right, but it gave entry confirmations. Took some time before it came down. It was not a smooth move. There was some form of consolidation before it now decided to sell, and it hit target. Okay, we banked our profits on this trade. All right, this was some analysis I gave on all AUD Okay, look at another trade on GBP USD. Very beautiful trade on GBP USD. 1 minute entry. Okay, so this trade was so beautiful. In fact, price blasted through our target. Okay, price surpassed our target on this trade. Price surpassed our target on this GBP USD trade. So we've been taking trade. We've been very busy. I've been very busy taking trades. That's why I've not really had time to make video, but I will still make videos for you. I'll still make videos. Look at this trade on GBP USD. Everything you know, some persons talk against retail trading and all the rest of that. This is a sample of a triple top formation. Okay, this was a triple top formation actually. But I actually waited to get into the trade after the break of the triple top. After the break of the neckline, I got a supply zone. I actually got another supply zone. There was a break of structure. I got into the trade somewhere right there, there. Okay, I actually got into the trade somewhere here. There was this supply zone right here. I got into the trade right here. There's a supply zone right here. So everything you know in forex trading from the elementary side, you can actually synergize all of them, combine everything to make a trading decision. Okay, So I don't totally discard retail concepts. Even though I'm a smart money trader, demand and supply trader, I also use sometimes I also combine it with some retail ideas in order to know. I actually think and I think as a retailer and also think as a smart money trader. Okay, I combine all in order to make a trading decision. All right, so this was AUD USD trade. We've been taking a lot of trades. We've been taking a lot of trade. This was AUD USD. Okay, this was AUD USD trade that played out. This trade took not more than 30 minutes from TP from entry to TP, not up to 30 minutes, and the trade actually was completed. Okay, very fast trade. No much consolidation. No consolidation at all. The trade was completed. All right. So now okay, this week we made about 17%. This was about towards the last week of okay, the second or third week of January. We made about 17% profit for the week. All right, so uh this was analysis, and this was GBP USD analysis. Price broke structure, retested the zone, and now there was a sell-off right here. All right, so these are trades we've taken, and people are happy. Mentees are happy about our progress. Okay, we document our progress. This was analysis I gave on all Aussie dollar. Okay, this was a demand zone right here. Liquidity taken into demand zone. This was a sell side liquidity taken into the demand zone, and that was a price surpassed our target. Okay, price actually surpassed our target. These trades are beautiful. People look at mentees making money on these trades, on the trades we give. Okay, look at this trade also on GBP USD. Price actually took out this buy side liquidity into the supply zone, and we got entry confirmations right there, and we sold the market, and we made good profits. All right, so this is a quotation. This was sorry, not quotation. This was a quote from Les Brown. Say, too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Okay, many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Do not live your fears. Okay, forex trading is not for the weak-hearted. All right, it's for the strong-minded. You're gonna fail and fail and fail, but if you do not give up, you're gonna succeed. If you do not give up, you're gonna succeed. Just keep at it. Keep going forward. Keep moving forward. It may take 6 months. It may take 1 year. It may take 2 years. It might take 5 years. It might take 6 years. But eventually, if you do not give up, you're gonna succeed in this business. And once you succeed, your profits and the reward will be far. It will cover all the losses and all the regrets, all the losses you've made over the years. Do not give up. I'm a living witness to this. So now see this trade on Aussie dollar. Look at this trade on Aussie dollar. Look at how price blasted through our profit taking point. Okay, we got into this trade somewhere here, and price blasted that. So we are actually doing great. We are doing great. So if you want to be a member of this our Telegram group, the link is in the description box of this video, and also in the page description. All right. So if you want to be a member of our Telegram group, just find the link in the description box of this video. I post chart setups. Okay, I don't just give signals. I don't believe in giving signals. Buy this, buy that, no, or sell this, sell that, no. I share chart analysis, so that you yourself can be good in this business. You yourself can grow in your analysis. You can grow in your chart analysis. Look at the trade we took on GBP USD. Look at the trade we took. Very beautiful entry right here. Very beautiful entry. Almost minimal, very minimal drawdown, and we got into it got into profit almost immediately. Okay, now look at what I shared with my mentees and with everyone. Look at techs are laying off. Techs layoffs are starting to pile off. The Alphabet laid out about 12,000 persons, employees. Meta laid off about 11,000 employees. Amazon laid out. Microsoft, Salesforce. I mean, most tech companies have been laying off since Q4 of last year, 2022, into this new year. So no job security anywhere in the world. Reason why entrepreneurship remains the best. So entrepreneurship remains the best, and one way you can become financially independent without having to look for a job is to upgrade your trading skills. Forex trading can help you, can be liberating, financially liberating, but you've got to pay the price. You're going to be, it will not come on a platter of gold. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the work and hard work to learn, and the commitment to not to give up even when initially it might not be easy for you. Okay, nothing good comes easy. So if you want to do well in this business, keep on moving forward. Do not give up, because in the end it leads to financial freedom. So look at also a quote I shared with from Steve Burns. Say most satisfying personal financial achievements. So these are some goals that you can set for yourself. Okay, and one of the financial freedom goals, one of the goals should be to have a big trading account. All right. So one of my goals this year, 2023, is to have multiple funded accounts. Okay, that might run into that's run into hundreds of thousands of dollars. So one of that is one of my goals, to have multiple funded accounts from different forest companies. All right, forest prop firms. Okay, I've passed the my forest fund challenge, but I want to add more, like the FTMO, the funded trader, and even several other ones. Okay, so I want to have more funded accounts. That is my goal for this year, 2023. All right, so this was also a trade we took on Euro USD. So the trade we took on Euro USD, price took out the buy side liquidity into the supply zone, and it sold. All right, so this was also a trade on GBP USD, buy trade on GBP USD. Look at it. Actually, look at how we entered the Euro USD. This was our last trade for January. So our last trade for January 2023, and you can see in January 2023 we made about 41% profit. 41% profit when you risked 1% per month. Actually, this is not our target. 40%, 41% profit was not our target. Our monthly target is 10% profit. We don't go for anything. We don't aim higher than 10% profit per month. If you can make 10% profit per month consistently, you'll be golden in this business. All right, so we don't really aim high, but this month of January we had multiple opportunities, so that helped us to surpass our goal, risking 1%. I know several of my group members, several of my mentees made above 41% profit. Those of them that held to TP2, TP3, but mostly this analysis was done by going for only TP1. Okay, take profit 1, risking 1%, closing trade fully at take profit 1. So made about 41% profit, risking 1% consistently in January 2023. All right, so this was it. So now in this new month of February, we'll look at our analysis on Euro USD price. We said our price was going to come to this supply zone. Price came to the supply zone, tapped into the supply zone and sold. And price later on, price even sold down to the supply zone. I didn't take the picture of that. Sold down to the supply zone and now bought from the supply zone, taking out all of this, creating a new high. If you can shake the market, price came to the supply zone, bought and took out this high. So you can shake that on your chart. You're going to see it. Now this was GBP USD. Price tapped into the supply zone and sold. Beautiful analysis. Okay, look at Euro USD trade we took. That should be yesterday, 2 days ago. All right, so we've been taking trades. That is why we've been so busy. I've not been so active on YouTube because of the trades that we've been taking. All right, so this is a USD card analysis. Price tapped in, took out this buy side liquidity and tapped into the supply zone and sold. Okay, beautiful analysis. And there was a minimal drawdown, very minimal drawdown. In fact, there was actually a card news. There was a card news released this period, and this helped to push down price. There was a card news released, and it helped to push down price faster. All right, it helped to push down the price faster. Okay, so now this one of my VIP members actually made about $27,800. Okay, on his account. All right, so he shared it with me. All right, so and here I shared a motivation from a veteran trader. He said, I became a full-time trader in 1965. Next to marry my wife, it was the best decision I ever made. Through trading, I enjoy freedom, independence, and prosperity. I have no boss to keep happy, no employees to manage, and no customers to service. Trading has given me a great life. This was a quote from a veteran trader who have been trading for over 40 years. So this was a trade we took on Euro USD. That was a news release and it helped to push down price. Okay, we sold Euro USD. That was on January 1st. Now on January 2nd, we also took a trade on GBP USD that sold down. This was actually yesterday. Now, yesterday was beautiful. All three trades we took yesterday. We took a trade on GBP USD. We took a trade on Aussie dollar, AUD USD. We also took a trade on GBP USD. All three trades were perfect and they were all winners. All three trades were winners. We made so much money. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Price actually came to our zone and we got entry confirmations and price sold. In fact, currently, if you can check your chart, currently, price has surpassed this profit target. It's running down. Price has surpassed this profit target. All right. So this was on GBP USD. All right, Scott. Our analysis. We took this trade. This was the first trade we took yesterday. And now look at also. I now share this trade also from Aussie dollar. Okay, AUD USD, and price actually took out liquidity to the upside. Broke structure. This now you can see a support turning into price broke support, okay, and retested support and sold. This was a case of support turning into resistance and now sold down. You can see how this, look at it, how it's played out. Okay, price broke structure. Price actually broke structure, broke this supply zone, retested. Price broke the support, retested the structure, and now sold. You can see it here. You can see it here. Now on Euro USD also as well, I posted this chart, and you can see how I look at my stop loss. I entered around here, and look at. This was a beautiful setup, and if you can shake your chart right now, Euro USD is still running down, it has surpassed this target and it's still pushing down, selling down. Okay, it's actually trying to make up for the inefficiency, imbalance in H4 or H1 time frame. Euro USD actually bought 2 days ago during the FOMC. Okay, it bought. That was a very fast long impulse candle, buy impulse candle to the upside, and I shared with my group, my mentees, that there's going to be a correction, and this was actually the correction. Price after an impulsive move, there's always a correction. So Euro USD is trying to correct that impulsive move that happened 2 days ago at the FOMC news release press statement. All right. So if you learn the market, nothing will be a surprise to you. You're gonna read the market like a guru. Okay. When you study market structure, nothing will be a surprise. Each time the market, you will be able to predict to some level of accuracy the market movement. All right. So that is why you need to know market structure. All right. So today is NFP. So are you ready to trade the NFP? Okay. NFP is not for the boys. It's for experienced traders, because if you are not careful, NFP can wreck your account. Okay, you have to be careful. Okay, I don't recommend NFP to trade NFP for newbies. All right, but if you actually know how to trade news, I've made a video on how to trade high impact news. So we're going to be applying our principles on high impact news today on the NFP. All right, so if you want to join our Forex Mentees group, the link to Telegram, the link is in the description box of this video. Please note that I don't DM you first. I will never DM you first on Telegram. I will never DM you first on any platform. I will never DM you first. Beware of scammers. Okay? Beware of scammers. I will never DM you first. I will never chat you first. Beware of scammers. If you want to get in contact with me, my link, my personal Telegram contact is in the description box. I also have an email address you can actually use. I will never DM you. For anybody who send you a message claiming to be me is not me. Please be mindful of, protect yourself on social media. So I want to thank you so much. I want to thank you so much for viewing this video, and I want to promise that I will be making a new mentorship content for you very soon. Just that I've been so busy, so that's why I made this video to show you our activities. I've been busy trading. We are active traders. We trade. We have active traders. This week alone, I've made we've made a lot of percentage of our profit on our increase in our capital. All right, and we're looking that February should be a very good month. Either in January we made 41% increase, we might not reach that target, and we might also reach it, and we might surpass it. But our goal is always 10% profit per month. So please, if you're here to subscribe to our channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. More useful content will come your way over time. Like this video, share with your friends, and join our free Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description box of this video. I share setups in the Telegram group. So I want to thank you so much for viewing. Until I come your way next time, be blessed. And lest I forget, I also run mentorship content. As I told you, I do private one-on-one mentorship, whereby I train you on Forex, on how to become successful in Forex trading. I train on trading psychology, risk management, and also a strategy, the winning strategy you can use to become successful in this business. So bye bye, and do have a wonderful and a blessed day. Please be careful out there trading the NFP. Okay, but we're going to trade the NFP today with my mentees. Thank you all. Bye.